If you hear this sound, you either have a nail or a rock stuck in your tire.
Listen. Yeah, it's a big one.
Best advice I could give you, never pull it out on the side of the road. Potentially you could lose all your air and then you're gonna be in bigger trouble than you were before. That's why I drove home with a clicking sound. And now that I got home, it's an easy fix. With an Amazon tire patch kit, it's very, very easy to fix yourself in your garage. Yep, there it is. So we're gonna pull it out and fix it real quick. So took the nail out, we're gonna rough it up a little bit with this. So the glue gets in there better. That should do it. Then I have this, which I'm gonna shove it in there, but first I'm gonna put some glue on it, and this is a tool that you shove it in with. So I cut mine in half. Usually I have a hard time putting a long one in there, so we're just gonna shove in here. This is the part that I always fail at. I always pull the plug out with a tool, unfortunately. So my technique is to put a pair of pliers and then hold the piece in there and then pull the tool out. This sometimes works better. And then this is all the way in there now. That glue activates the rubber, so yeah, usually half a piece works better for me. So I left the glue cure a little bit, like 5 minutes, and I've added air, and the tire, it's 34.5 psi, so 34 psi is what I need. So that's perfect. I'm gonna check it in the morning just to make sure that it doesn't lose any air, but it should be fine. That's gonna last for a long time. I had tires that I patched and I forgot, and I replaced the tires like 6 years later and they were just fine. Thanks for watching.